If you are implementing Google Sign-in in your app and you have your own REST API, using Firebase is not mandatory. However, we will still need to Google Service Info Plus file. This file provides a straightforward way to set up your app to communicate with Google services. It ensures that the Google Sign-in can correctly authenticate your app with Google servers. The file simplifies the integration process by automatically configuring the necessary setting in your app, allowing you to focus on developing your app's features rather than dealing with complex authentication setup. We need to enable the OAuth APIs that we want using the Google Cloud Platform API Manager. Make sure you have filled out all required fields in the console for OAuth content screen, otherwise you may encounter API exception errors. I have already created client IDs for my backend, and now I will create for iOS. Now I will start creating our Flutter project with terminal command. Flutter create Google Auth is our project name. And I will open my project with terminal commands. And I will run it with iOS simulator. You can see that the application is running on the iOS simulator. Now we need to download the Google Service Info Plus file and add the IDs. And also in Info Plus file we need to add configuration and IDs and save the files. I will add it in EOS folder. I need client ID and reserved client ID. We already created for our application, and I will copy and paste them here. Also, we need to add in our info place file in runner folder. We need to add this configuration. I need to get client ID, get server client ID, and the other here I will copy and paste it here. And it's here, and we here our API client ID to add here for server client ID. And I will change my bundle identifier with com.google.login. The build was successful and our app is working now.